In this video, we will show you how to fix black screen on Android phone. Way 1. How to fix Android black screen of death with Android Repair. Step 1. Install and run the Android Repair software on your computer. You can see the following screen pop up. Just click Repair from the main interface and click on Android Repair. Connect your Android device to computer with a USB cable. Step 2. In the next screen, please choose and confirm your Android model, including the device brand, name, model, country, and carrier. Please be noted that this may erase all data on your device, so we suggest you to create Android full backup beforehand. Type 0000 to confirm and continue. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to boot your Android device into download mode. Click Next and the tool will start to download the Android firmware and flash the new firmware to your Android device. After a while, your Android device will be repaired successfully and the black screen of death will be fixed. Way 2. Wipe cache partition to fix black screen on Android phone. Step 1. Turn off your Android phone and press and hold the volume up plus power plus home buttons to put the phone into recovery mode. Step 2. After entering recovery mode, you can see multiple options on the screen. Use the volume up and down button to navigate to the option Wipe Cache Partition and then use the power button to select it. Step 3. Select Yes on the new window to confirm the above operation. Then the phone will clear all the cache and you will see a Reboot System Now option. Use the power button to select it. Step 4. Your phone will reboot. This will take a long time, so please be patient. After the reboot is completed, you will find that the black screen problem has been successfully solved. Way 3. Uninstall incompatible apps to fix Android phone screen black problem. Step 1. Turn off your phone. When you turn it back on, notice that when the boot logo appears, you hold down the volume down button until the lock screen appears. Step 2. You will see safe mode at the bottom of the screen, which means you have successfully put your phone into safe mode. Step 3. Now go to Settings and select Application Manager. Find the incompatible app, click on it, then find and click the Uninstall option to uninstall it. Step 4. After the uninstallation is complete, you reboot the device and let it start in normal mode. Way 4. Try factory reset if Android phone screen goes black. This method will erase all data on your phone, so be sure to back up all the files and folders on your device before proceeding. Step 1. First, you need to turn off your phone. Step 2. Turn your Android phone into recovery mode. The specific steps are mentioned in Way 2 above. Step 3. After booting up in recovery mode, you can use the volume button to select the Wipe Data or Factory Reset option and press the power button to select it. Step 4. Tap OK to confirm the action and the phone will reset and restart. When your device reboot automatically, you will see the Android black screen of death problem is solved.